What is it?
It is a stick.
What's it do?
There is a tube
What's it do?
and a slide where individual pieces of metal are pushed forward and then punched into the paper. They're held fast.
And that's it.
Did you know that for No Country for Old Men, a group of old men studied 400 movies and identified 126 old men? They chose Javier Bardem's portrayal of Anton Chigurh as the most clinically accurate portrayal of a old man.
Friendo. Didn't mean nothing.
If you don't want to accept that, I don't know what else I can do for you. Maybe something.
Friendo. Yes. I don't know. Will there?
Is something wrong
What?
with anything?
Is that what you're asking me? Is there something wrong with anything?
What would be anything else?
What time do you go to bed?
Sir.
You're a bit deaf, aren't you? I said, what time do you go to bed?
Sir.
Hey kid, that's the ladies.
This is the ladies' room, young man. That men's is right next door.
Today, I'm gonna be doing some skits with my dog. He's gonna be the drug dealer, and I'm gonna be an innocent person walking, and he's gonna be trying to sell me some drugs. No! I don't want your drugs, Archie!
Oops.
A young man gave me a card and it says,
I don't drive, I speak bad English, and I hate violence.
young man gave me a card and it says, my name is Ansel Perios. Please call my sister.
Where does he work?
At Pearl's Diner on Killingworth Street in Maplewood. Seems fine. He's with a man.
The man, what does he look like?
I don't know, middle-aged.
Gray jacket?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, I'll be right there.
I'm supposed to get cilantro.
Yeah, I heard. What happened?
Frank said Gray wanted to see me, but Gray's not here yet.
Yeah, got it. Okay, I'll tell you.
The N-word. You N-word now.
I don't think I want to.
Policy and how policy interacts with that. But before we go, maybe just a quick welcome. Eliza, Matt, welcome. How are you doing today?
I'm the Chief Safety Officer at Roblox. As of the company was working on safe. This changed in 8 years. Safe on Roblox because risk immunity really does on multiple platforms.
That's a fun...